What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your owner's smartphone is not charging. So to fix this charging issue, first of all check your charger and data cable. So if your charger and data cable are working properly but your phone is not charging, then the next solution is restart your phone. So to restart, press and hold the side button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix small software glitches like charging issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, then for the next solution, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on battery. Now here in battery, scroll down. Now here click on more battery settings, and from here enable smart charging and check if it helps you to charge your phone or not, and also turn on smart battery capacity. After turning on these two options, the charger will start charging your phone. So if you are still facing the issue after turning on these options, then the last solution is check for your software updates. Now to check software update, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on software update. Now from here check if your phone is updated to the latest software version or not. So if your phone is not up to date, then update the phone software to the latest version, and after updating the phone software it will fix the charging issue. So that's how you can fix the owner's smartphone that is not charging. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.